Hello and welcome to another Hot Wheels unboxing. In today's video, I've gotten one Hot Wheels. Now, I wasn't home for the last 3 days as of recording, so I've been traveling to Italy actually. You might have seen my, what is it called, you know, about in my community, something, where I told that I wasn't uploading because I was busy. Yeah, I was busy traveling the world. And now that I'm home, let me open this one single Hot Wheel that I found. I was looking very harsh for it. Very hard. Like I found multiple stores that were selling 5 packs for lots of money. And there were like these couple of stands which had mainline. I found one, I was digging through it, and I found this one which I was missing. Now, there's one infuriating thing. There's this big hole there. Now, let's open it. And here it is. It's a pretty cool casting. We haven't seen this casting actually since 2023 mainline. So yeah. And that's it. And stay tuned, because we purchased something else in Italy. Bye bye.